Hey guys, welcome back to Square County Homestead. We're glad you made it back with us. Today we're gonna make a hay field. Got some little baskets. We got 2 of these little baskets for $1.25 at the dollar store. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fix them up. Hey, don't forget, Hot Off the Press Tees by Allison. Look her up on Facebook and send her a message. Tell her you seen her on Square County Homestead. She'll give you a discount. All right, let's get busy. All right, so this is all you need. You need your little container, 4 little zip ties, a pair of scissors. So I'm gonna leave the zip ties right there. So basically, we're just gonna make a cut right down the edge, both edges. We're just gonna cut the top out of it. That's all we're doing. We're just cut that out. That's gonna be our top. That's gonna be our bottom. So now all we're gonna do is take our zip ties, and we're just gonna zip tie the open part to our cage system, just like so. All right, so you got your zip ties on there. Clip the little excess. And there you have it. Just put a little hay in there. All right, we're gonna put a little hay in there. And see, it's flexible. So, and I've had this on a couple other cages over here, and if y'all have ever watched any of our videos, you know we always test this out before we upload it, or we at least tell you the truth if it works or not. They do work, and the rabbits are notorious for chewing. I'll show you this other one. It's not chewed up at all, and it's probably been on there for 2 months with a buck, a young buck at that. So we really like that little system there. So this is the little system we have used in the past, and it works pretty well. Hey, little guy. So, but it works pretty well. But we have found that these, they don't waste as much as they do using this. Get down, get down. All right, so here's our other one, and you see it's not chewed up. It's been out here for a couple months. It's worked well for us. So there you have it. We got everybody situated. Got a little hay in there. Just seem to like it. All right, guys, that's about it. That's a way to make you a hay field for about 75 cents. It's pretty cheap, and well, the way the economy is, cheap is good right now. Okay. So, any attaboys, criticisms, comments, put it in the comment section. Let's talk about it. As always, we appreciate you watching.